Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'm going to teach you this Hello Eye look. I already love how it turned out, so let's get into it. This brush is from Morphe Brushes, taking this berry pink shade and starting off by applying it on my crease and then on my lid as well. This brush is from Morphe Brushes, applying this dark maroonish shade on my crease area. Don't worry about the fallouts, I will wipe them off later. This brush is from Morphe Brushes, taking the same berry pink, and here I am blending my crease. Same on the other eye. Intensifying my crease with the same dark shade. Applying black shade for more depth to my crease. Applying concealer with the brush and spreading it in a semicircle shape. Or you can use it directly and blend it with a brush as I am doing here. Applying the shimmery green shade on that area where I applied concealer before. Now combining the inner and outer V with the darker shade. Applying mascara to my lashes. This brush is from Morphe Brushes, smoking out my lower lash line with this shade and blending it with the black shade. This brush is from BH Cosmetics, highlighting my brow bone and inner corner. This is a complete look. I hope you will all like it. Give this video a like if you liked it. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.